Boom shakalaka, welcome back to the Austin Automates YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to get AI to respond to website form fill. So if someone shows up to your website or your client's website and they fill out a form, I'm going to show you how to have AI respond via SMS to either book the appointment, qualify that lead, and make it happen super fast so that lead converts at a higher percentage. And I'm going to show you how to do that using high level and Closebot. So let's just dive right in. So I am going to make this straight and to the point. So there's a couple ways to start this. You can start by building the bot first, but what I'm going to do is first I'm going to go into high level and I'm going to create the form. Now, if your client or you already have a form that's already built out, I'm going to show you how to set this up doing the workflows. But let's say I don't have a form. So I'm going to go to sites. I'm going to go to the form builder and then I'm going to click build a new form. I'm going to hit add a new form and then boom. Let's just say I create this one. It's for a real estate company and they have a foreclosure website. And what they want to do is they want to have AI respond to people that are going into foreclosure. So you fill out the first name, the last name, the phone number, the email, and they're going to put this form right on the website and they want AI to respond to this. So the second step is now I need to actually set up the bot inside of Closebot that's going to pre-qualify or respond to this. And then we're going to go and set up the workflows. So let's go over to Closebot. I have my real estate bot and let's go over to main. And you can see I prompted it. Why is this conversation happening? You are responding to an inquiry online. Someone is going into foreclosure and looking for some help from a brokerage. This conversation is happening to set an appointment. And then this business is Grand Rapids Realty and has been in business for 20 years. And then I keep how to respond, pretty simple. And then I want it to be relaxed and friendly. And then I set the objectives to where I want it to confirm how long they've been in the house. I want it to confirm using custom fields. In my last video, I show you how to use custom fields to prompt the bot. But this one just says, hey, can you confirm how much you owe on the house? And then the next one is, can you confirm the address that you added in there? And then it books an appointment. So now that I have a form that is set up and I have the bot that is going to be used for that very particular form, now I need to create the workflows that are going to basically, when people fill out this form on the website, it's then going to trigger this very specific bot to then respond to that form fill. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I need two workflows for this. The very first workflow I'm going to need is I'm going to need the foreclosure bot form submission. Let's just call it that. And then the trigger is going to be form is going into foreclosure. And then what I want it to do is I want it to add a tag so that if anybody messages this number, it's not just going to respond to every single person. So I add foreclosure. I did spell foreclosure wrong there. And then the very first message that goes out once they fill out that form is it says, hey, contact first name. My name is Lavonda from Grand Rapids Realty. We just saw that you submitted an inquiry online about your home. We're sorry that you're going through what you're going through. And then basically that is the very first message that goes out so that I can trigger some sort of response from them. Then I'm going to make sure that I just hit save and I'm going to hit save and boom, that is the very first workflow. So they fill out the form, it triggers this, it adds a tag, and then it sends the very first open-ended question that, hey, can we ask some questions about your home? Then the second workflow that I need built out is I need customer replied via SMS channel because we sent them a text message and they're replying to a text message. And then it has the tag for closure because that workflow before added that tag. And then I'm going to do webhook, the URL to Closebot. And then I'm going to make sure that it's sending it to the right bot, 23076. Let's check the bot. Oh, nope. So it's sending it to the wrong bot. So I want to copy that. And then I'm going to go back here. I'm going to make sure, boom, it's sending to the right bot. I'm going to hit save. And then now we are all connected. And it is that simple. So again, we want to create the form, or if you already have a form, and then we want to create the bot that is going to respond to that particular form. And however you want to have it like pre-qualify or set up, then I need one workflow that is going to be triggered based on that form submission and add a tag so the bot knows that who it's talking to, and then a first message that goes out. And then my processing workflow where customer replies to SMS, they have that tag, and then it sends the inquiry to Closebot to actually respond using AI. And then this is what should happen once we test that out. All right, so I filled out all my information on that form and then I hit the submit button and it says, thank you for taking the time. And then once we go back into high level, into the conversation tabs, you can see that it sent me a message. It says, hey, Austin, my name is Lavonda from Grand Rapids Realty. We just saw that you submitted an inquiry online. Would it be okay if I asked a couple questions about your home? Then I'm gonna message back and I'm gonna say, and then AI is going to take over and respond, great. Thank you for being open to questions. To better understand your situation, could you tell me how long you've been living in your home? And so that's how you get AI to take over once a form fill is filled out. So boom, that is step by step, super simple on how to get AI to respond to a form fill on your website and how to connect all the pieces together. Super simple. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at austinautomates@gmail.com. And again, if you want access into one of the most awesome, bestest bot building communities there is, in the description, I put a link. There's free access. There's trainings on how to set up your account. There's trainings on basically everything. And then if you do not have a Closebot account, I do have my link in the description to your free Closebot account. You don't even need to put in your credit card. And if you set up your free Closebot account and you jump into the group, I would be happy to personally hop on a call with you and make sure that everything gets set up. So right now, join us in the best bot building group in the entire planet, and let's get you building bots and automating some of your process. You guys have a great rest of your day, and I look forward to seeing you in future trainings. Woo!